Samsung Galaxy Note 20 first visual look is finally here. So what's up guys, and welcome back to our new video about the leaks of Galaxy Note 20. In our previous video we showed you guys the 360-degree rotation and the rough design preview of the Galaxy Note 20 shared by the Ice Universe and Griggles TV respectively. And now again we got something big to show you guys, that is the first visual look of Samsung Galaxy Note 20, which is looking really exciting. It looks pretty similar to the S20 Ultra but not exact same. Since this render came from an unproven and unknown source, we cannot be 100% sure, but we also should not neglect the leaks coming from the unknown source. As like we reported in our previous video, this image also reveals the shift of volume buttons to the right side of the phone, which is a great move in our opinion, as it is consistent with all Samsung's flagship smartphone except the Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. The source of renders also mentioned that the S Pen has shifted to the left, but he mentioned that some of the design elements cannot be fully confirmed right now. So we guess that the S Pen will remain on its original position like said by Griggles TV. Beside the design of the phone, we also got some leaks from Sam Mobile about the display of regular base variant, that is Galaxy Note 20. According to Sam Mobile, Galaxy Note 20 reportedly features a 6.7-inch screen which is almost big as the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. The dimensions of Note 20 are set to measure 161.8 by 75.3 by 8.5 mm, and the thickness will increase by 0.6 mm over the Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. Talking about the camera, we only know that the 100x zoom lens, which is controversial feature in S20 Ultra, will not be in the Note 20 family. The absence of this key feature might bring the price low. Beside this information, the camera details are yet to come. So now it's time for some bonus leaks. The Google Pixel 4a is not going to launch until July. That means the previous news we heard that it will launch in June 3 or June 5 is just a rumor. Another news we got today is that the Samsung's upcoming flagship Galaxy A75 5G is coming to Verizon, likely with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 765. Samsung had announced that they are bringing Galaxy A01, A11, A21, A51 5G and A71 5G to the US. But the Galaxy A71 5G and A51 5G are same as their LTP counterparts, but they are powered by upgraded processors and modems to support 5G connectivity. In South Korea, both of the devices features Exynos 980, but Samsung devices sold in the US usually don't consist Exynos processor, so it is likely to have Qualcomm Snapdragon 765 or 765G, since they are the only upper mid-range Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset with an integrated 5G modem. So that's all the information we got today. We will be informing you guys about the latest leaks every day. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel for latest tech updates.